Welcome to AGL Organics. Okay, I don't know if you watch the short videos that I made about my products. No, today I'm going to show you the herbs that I'm using. Okay, you have basil. They call it wild basil, they call it African basil, but they smell really good. The flowers, I will take them, get the seeds out so I can get make my cold press basil oil. This is thyme. They call it oregano too. They call it Jamaican mint. Here, holy basil. I put them on my oil infusion. This is my castor tree. You see the beans? This is the beans that I'm using. Holy basil. Okay. This is false daisy. Okay. I use it too on my is the Indian plant. I use it on my oil also. Is a castor plant. This is a castor plant. The castor beans. Castor beans. Is more castor plants. I have one here too, castor plant that I use. I forgot to show you my aloes. This is aloes. Okay. In a video, I will show you how I cut the aloes, dry them to put in my extract. So this is one of my plants. Castor. This is rosemary. This is rosemary. Oh, the sun is rosemary. This is saw palmetto. I use the berries for my extract also. I have cashew plant. Is mint. We call it Jamaican mint that I use in my oil. This is blueberry. It's my blueberry. This is my lavender. I use it in my things. Also. This is mint. So when I'm done, I will put my this is the castor. The castor, I will let them dry, air dry right here. Now I'm going to show you the you see the beans. Castor beans. So I'll let this dry. When I'm ready, I will clean them. Here is my castor beans. These castor beans. castor beans. All our castor beans, castor beans. I press for my oil. This is the basil. I'm going to show you those little seeds. Those little seeds. I pick them up. When I have enough, I will press them and make my oil for my hair oil treatment. My herbs, I will dry them right here. All my herbs, I will come here and dry them. Let them air dry. And I'm going to show you the station that I use to make my product.